Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Financial Hub. In today's quick tutorial, I will show you how to change the currency in MoonPay so you can easily make transactions in your preferred currency. So let's get started. So first unlock your phone and launch the MoonPay app. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now tap on the settings button, which is usually found in the top right corner, to open the settings menu. Here you can see the option called preferences. Tap on it. And here, as you can see, the first option is given as currency. So tap on it to open the currency selection menu. So a list of available currencies will appear. Scroll through and select the one that you want to use. Once selected, the app will automatically update your transactions and pricing to reflect your chosen currency. Some changes may require some confirmation. If prompted, tap confirm or save to finalize your new currency settings. Here, okay, for now I will choose Brazilian real. And here you can see by the side of the currency, you can see BRL, which is the currency of Brazil. Now return to the home screen or try initiating a transaction to ensure the currency has been updated successfully. And yes, that's it. You have successfully changed your currency in MoonPay. Now you can make transactions in your preferred currency with ease. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Financial Hub for more tech tutorials. If you have got any queries, drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.